What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's. You know I'm back with another informative video. And man, I've been putting in a lot more work on these videos than I normally do. And it's because I am having to explain the stuff that I'm doing. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos that I'm uploading for you guys. And I will be talking because I know everybody got this issue with their vehicles, is the best restore. Now I have this one because they didn't have no more of this one, and I'm gonna use this one on my SUV, and I'm gonna use this one on my headlights on my 09 Maxima. Now, here's the problem. If this ends up working better than this, I'll be not necessarily promoting this, but I'll be showing you guys exactly how this one goes down in an in-depth video. Beyond this one may be enough to do so. So I'm sorry if I'm looking over there, but I know I need to look at the camera this way. But this one is a quick, easy one, but you have a couple steps. You have to use a spray bottle and rub the one side of sandpaper, then the other side of the sandpaper for a while, and then hit it with the wipe. And you want to go across it one time. With this particular one, they're both wet wipes, but you get I think two or three of these orange ones for the step one. You get them, 2 or 3 of them for each light. So I'm pretty sure they dry really quick. Once you're done with that step and process, you're gonna use step 2, which is gonna be 1 for each headlight. So we're gonna see which one cleans up the better. Now my Maxima headlights are in way worse shape than my, Pilot headlights. The right side, the left side, driver's side of the Pilot headlights look really good. So I'm not gonna mess with that one. I'm just gonna mess with the right light of that one. So I'm gonna use this kit because I can get down more into it. Now this one, I'm gonna try on my Maxima lights. I'm gonna show you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned so you can see the steps and what I do. And I'll be showing it on screen. I'll be talking about it, and you'll actually see me doing it. A lot of these videos, people are really not showing you, but these will go head to head today. These are ceramic protection headlight restorer, and this is by Rust-Oleum. I don't know how good that brand is. I know ArmorAll is a super good brand, and I know like with Plastidip, they got a Rust-Oleum Plastidip too, but I don't know if it's better than Plastidip to me. That'd be something I'll have to try. And this is headlight restore, both of these, to bring them from out of that yellow dude. I think mine will probably pass that stage. Mine probably look like this one. Yeah. So we're gonna see. I'm excited to see how they turn out, and I'm gonna show you guys me doing each step. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with this one for my Maxima. I'm gonna show you guys that one first, because it's more real estate I gotta cover, and they have to dry, and you can't drive the vehicle. That is the key thing. I want you guys to make sure that you understand that. With this one, you may be able to do the steps and drive the vehicle. This one, I'm gonna say that the guy told me in the store specifically, he used it before, and the only mistake he made was he drove the car and bugs and stuff to stick to it, and it kind of messed the lights up. So I'm gonna assume this one is the same way. So I'm probably not gonna do this one until later, and I'll make sure I record it and show you the video, and we'll do a double lean off before and after, and you guys will get to see, firsthand what these kits will actually do, and if they're worth. And I'll give you a final decree whether they're worth getting. If your lights are not that bad, or if your lights are real bad, just buy new ones. Maybe a better trick. Make sure y'all hit me with that sub, like, and comment, man. I appreciate it. And yeah, we're gonna get right on into the next part of the video, and it'll be me actually doing it. This is great. It'll be me actually doing these kits and the headlights of the car. So I hope you guys are enjoying. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. What's up, 2Gs? That might be a thumbnail. Yeah, alright. See you in the next part. Okay, guys. Hopefully you made it to this far in the video. You're going to see this thing has steps. And the first step is going to be 2 wipes that you use, and it's going to help you clean the surface. And you see how automatically, just like that, it just started cleaning up all that yellow old residue that was on the lights. I suggest you guys get one of these ArmorAll kits. It is the best of the 2. The other one was a little bit more technical because you had to use a sandpaper and wipe it and stuff, and then you can scratch more in one area than another. It just doesn't work out. But this is only a quick fix, guys. Ultimately, you just got to get new headlights. But if you're just trying to restore yours and they're not that bad, this will fix the problem. As you can see, I had these headlights on this car for over 10 years, and you see how well it cleaned these up. You're going to see the before and after. The step 2, you're going to see how they really come clean. And yeah, I basically repeat the process onto the other side. But I just wanted to show you guys this, show you me actually doing it and how easy it is to do. And this is wiping. This is no sandpaper, nothing extra. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very informative for you guys. God bless y'all. Make sure you hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. And I appreciate you. Peace.
Good night.